But the backfill and front fill, they are not, I mean, in my opinion, there are better ways of dealing with missing values than that. And some of the ways of doing that is to compute the mean or the median or the mode of a given column and use that as the replacement for the missing value. So let's see how we're going to do that. So we can find the mean this way. So this gives us, okay, the axis is equal to 0, so which means that it will go through the rows. So for each column, it will go through the rows and find the mean. So you'll have one mean for column 0, one for column 1, and one for column 2. So then we can use df fill NA Okay, so that's going to fill the missing values with the mean of the column. Okay. And we can use median as well. Okay. If you did that, so the missing values will be replaced by the median. Now we can also use mode, but mode you have to be careful, because if a column has lots of unique values, or if all of them are unique values, you may end up with more than one mode. Mean and median will always be unique values. There will be just one value for each column. But if you use mode, there could be more than one value, and that could be problems because of that. So let's, but anyway, let me show you how you would do that. So you see the difference is when you use df.mean, it gives you a series back. Okay, so if you look at the type of df mode, that's a data frame, whereas if you do df of mean, that's a series. Okay. And the reason for that is mode can be more than one. So you may have more than one row of data for mode, and that's the reason that what is returned is a data frame and not a series. So so we can't use this mode directly in the fill NA. Okay. So if you do fill NA mode, it's not going to work. Okay. So we have to take the mode and convert it into a series. Okay. So if you do df mode, okay, then you transpose it. See, when you transpose it, you get that. Okay, again, it is a data frame. Okay, but we want this column. Showcase that. So now, since you're peeling off the first column, now that returns you a series. Now this series can then be used in fill NA. So if there is multiple modes, okay, what this is going to do is it's going to take the first mode in the data frame, convert that into a series, and use that. So df fill NA, and use that.